Still, why are you recording on that for?
You're recording what we're doing in our faces.
Okay. We'll hear faces once you find them.
Yeah, I'll figure it.
You gonna figure it out? Alright. Okay.
Yes, I am.
Get right here. It's just on the 2 bolts. So, take the bolts out. Let's find something.
I'll do
to
this
fit
side as you do that side.
Here, go get all our expensive tools we got. Other than what? I'm gonna show them our makeshift garage up on the porch right now. That's our garage. Oh, we got a high dollar press we bought to fix Natalie's wheel bearing on her PT Cruiser. We didn't buy that to do cool stuff with. But maybe, it'd come in handy. But we did learn how to do wheel bearings throughout that process. No, we didn't record that.
I see the piece that's already on.
Austin just had a eureka moment or something.
Oh, okay.
We'll find a wrench or socket to fix it.
What? Which one?
The bolts.
What? Which one?
These two. These two should probably be the same as that, man.
Watch this.
It's like a 9/16.
Oh, I can't even fit my thing down there. Oh, this is way smaller than I thought it was.
Need a socket, to be honest. Don't worry, I'll go buy some tools. This is the beginning of everything. Show people that,
Me special.
determination knows,
Except in the
you
head.
do anything you want, man. In this world. Money will come, we'll make it.
Exactly.
We're having fun.
It's all about living life.
A lot of people, including Dad, sometimes end up just doing stuff you have to do anyways, pay bills. So why not do something you want to do just to end up paying bills? You just don't barely get by in this world. Barely paying bills and working from Friday to Friday any dang way. Go do it.
I got it.
Working from Friday to Friday on cars if that's what you want to do.
Alone.
That's what I'd rather do. Be up 3 stories up in the house on the ladder somewhere. Because there's anything wrong with it. I'm just tired of doing it.
Show what we're doing. Should I just... You can see the
Paid my bills on these guys.
Take the screw off.
Look at that, man. Just 2 bolts. That is so convenient. That one wasn't even tight.
First bolt was right here.
Well, that one.
Or, no, it's right there.
That one. Hold on.
The bolt you just.
That goes right there.
What's?
Yes. You had to lift the tailgate up. You have to lift the tailgate up to a certain thing, and it'll lock in. See this little thing? See?
Oh.
And then bam. It should be golden. So. But pretty cool. That's. Oh. We thought that's all you had to do, but you got to get it hooked to this. Probably not going to be so easy. There went that 5-minute video.
Why? What's wrong?
Recording too fast. This is recording.
Yeah.
Got a hook or something. You're asking me what to do? I don't know.
I don't know. I'm new to this. More clank it in. Alright, what in the world? On the molly.
Yeah.
What the world?
We gotta.
Oh, that's what locks.
We're gonna have to look up a video.
Oh, you already got it. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I got that out. That didn't need to come out. That didn't matter.
How do you get the other thing?
We gotta get this whole thing out and get that. There's something that hooks onto this. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And we're gonna have to figure that out. And we're probably gonna have to take this out to do it. See? The tailgate.
Take out that top.
Probably gonna have to take out the handle of the tailgate. Let's go look up a video and then we'll give somebody some credit for helping us. YouTube, man. I love YouTube. Well, you know what? If we were doing this back when I was a kid, I hate to go old person on you.
Old person.
If I wanted to fix this, I'd have to buy a book, know somebody, go ask somebody, have a friend, something. I sure as heck couldn't pick up my cell phone.
Cell phone?
Yeah, and look it up on YouTube, bro. So this is great.
That's what we're right
So,
now.
all right, that's where we're at.
When he's gone?
Just go look it up. You're gonna
Right here.
look
Real
it up.
time.
Well, I know, but if you look it up right now, we might have to watch 8 videos. And I'm not giving 8 people the credit. I'm only giving one person the credit that helps us.
Okay.
So some people put out videos and they're like, oh, this is all you got to do. They don't even show us what you got to do. That's what you want? Go on somewhere. Good. Here. We got to take tailgate off, really, is what we need to do. So. Yeah, we need to take tailgate off. Unless you want to try to do it out here.
No.
Okay.
A recorder, or are we just gonna record when we get back in there?
Just take that in there. We'll do that in there. So.
We feel like we took the tailgate off.
Something bigger. Use that bucket. Let's see if it's got the slide in it, like the old trucks. Move.
Light it off or something?
There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Good.
How that works?
All right, grab.
I got this one.
I got this. Here, we'll get it right here in the middle. You're going to have to grab it, Will.
Oh, for me?
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Don't drop the tailgate. Whatever you do. Where's the other bolt? All right, I got everything. I don't think this is going to work either. Biggest one is that. God. No, that's not going to work. Try.
Can you grind it down?
Yeah, try. Grind a hole in it, I guess. Yep. That's not doing nothing. Here. Always gonna work in a well-ventilated area if we got windows open. Not really, but you should have windows open when you're doing this. I guess, I don't know. Look. I guess we're gonna try to cut long slits in these bolts and then use the big flathead to get them out. And I guess we'll order some new screws and maybe other inside parts that we probably are about to mess up. Ready? I'm trying to make it smart, but I tell you, I had to do that to be able to see. Let me see it.
And turn a little.
We need some pliers, you know what I'm talking about? That adjustable wrench will work good.
I'm just using my muscles.
Okay. Well, there's muscles in one. Use muscle. Here, bring the muscles on. I got that one. I got that one loose. So you got this. What's it? Here comes muscles. Comes muscles. Oh God. That boy's lacking a muscle. Damn, brain hemorrhage. Don't pop a blood vessel trying to do it now. Here, get this one. I loosened that one. Remember, it moved. Then I had to get the camera. I didn't have to, but come on, muscles. Don't mess the screw up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me see the string and the vein. What are you doing
Okay,
that?
definitely.
Did you move it?
No.
Oh, he didn't move it. Muscles couldn't do it. No, just kidding. Pretty hard. Alright, let's see. Go get us an adjustable wrench. You know where that's at? You know what that is? Here, don't mess up the screw head.
I know what it is.
Alright, go grab that adjustable. We got some stuff. It's on the porch. It's called this. I don't know, it's penetrating oil. You know what I'm talking about? Spray. Go get it right quick.
Nowhere?
Yeah, come on, you can do it.
What is penetrating oil spray?
You'll see it. It's a little can spray. It's on the front porch in there.
Front porch.
There's a makeshift garage.
Anything I said for
There you go.
There you go.
PB penetrator.
What's it do?
It penetrates.
Makes it easier to turn or something?
Yeah, it's supposed to get down in the grooves there, champ. We'll see what happens. Probably should leave it on there for a while. But, you know, we'll see what that does. What we'll do is we'll get this all apart and then we'll set it up here, show people what we got left, what we're replacing, and then what we're going to order. You know, might just order a new handle because I know it's bent and going in there crooked. I don't care if it's a different color. You know what I mean? It's going to be right. Ain't no sense in rebuilding all this and then the handle's still crooked and hanging out halfway. And
Yeah.
so I'm probably just going to buy all new guts, maybe. Probably,
All new?
yeah, probably just might be able to keep these two rods. We'll see what's up.
Yeah, that's right.
When you fix something, you learn real quick, might as well do it right way first time. Because if you don't, you might end up doing it 3 or 4 times, if not at least twice. But the thing about doing something the wrong way the first time is it may mess something else up. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, in the future.
Yeah.
You just
So like if you slack on buying new bolts, but then you buy this piece that it's bolted to, you get what I'm saying? And you try to just use these old ass bolts, say I didn't have to do that. You could strip the new part out by using these old bolts. You know what I'm saying? Something stupid like that over 94-cent bolt. You know? I'm not paying $1 a piece for bolts, you know? It's about a 94-cent bolt. Alright, you ready? Now that that lesson's over with it. Let's go.
That was a lucky tap?
Yeah, that's the Fonzie tap. That loosens everything up. You know anything about Fonzie?
No.
Oh my goodness gracious. The Fonz, man. Picked up and hit the G-box. Man, was that penetrating oil or that JB Weld? Yeah, now it's not spinning.
gotta fix this thing.
Come on.
I can't get this thing.
Here, hold the screwdriver. What'd you do? Mess up our adjustable wrench?
I didn't do nothing.
Come on. Don't give up on me.
I thought you were me to twist it.
You twist it then. Twist it. Just slow. Don't go sit down. Hercules. All right, I do this 98 miles an hour. Here, come on. There you go. Getting easier? Mm-hmm. All right, take it off. I might be able to. Yeah.
Can you take it out?
If you want to. I mean, sometime today.
I feel like it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, a success. Small victories, my brother. Yeah. All right, next. All right. Let's go. All right, do the stuff.
Tight enough, isn't it?
That's good. Alright. I think I might be able to get it. Let's see. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. 2 out of 3, dog.
Bolt number 2. This ain't nothing breaking off. Huh? Alright, right there. This is the hard one.
Yeah.
Damn, son. Last bolt. A doozy. Man, I had to get some easy out there, so. Just,
I'm down on your hands.
what, this? This will melt your fingers.
Melt your
You'll
fingers?
never get this stuff right here on your fingers.
Can you show me it closer?
No, I'm just kidding, it won't hurt you.
No. I thought you were rubbing it to show me. Start writhing in pain.
I can't believe this one's gonna be a pain in the butt to get off.
We're gonna do this same thing to the wrench.
Hell's though.
Mm-hmm.
This last one was much worse.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I can drill down too much anymore. You drill down too far, you make one side of the heads pop off, you know.
Now you have to cut the other one off.
Mm-hmm. Well, you don't have to cut the other one off, but you won't be able to use a flathead anymore. You'll probably try to get some channel locks on or something, but I doubt it'll work. Makes the dream work. Go ahead.
Exactly.
Oh, dream's failing.
Dreams down in the holes.
Good. God, that hurts.
Yes. I don't know if I need to, but I think.
Man, that's about the end of this bolt. Alright, try it again. I think we're about to lose the head of a bolt.
I get there, but it's making it's getting worse and worse.
Yes. Success, my brother. There you go. I think we could reuse this bolt.
I mean, it's pretty sturdy bolt.
It's been a good one.
A good one. That's mauled.
I don't know if you can even see it on there. It's like the thing is almost making it into a Phillips again. Alright. Let's turn this thing over and see what we gotta do.
Oh wait, all the stuff's like that.
I ain't worried about that.
You don't care about the carpet? Alright.
Man, we're hot rodding it here. We ain't got time to worry about carpet.
My bad.
Alright, hold on. You gotta remember the one on the right side. Hold on. You gotta remember the bottom and top stuff. Alright, this one on the, which would be the passenger side, is at the bottom. Alright.
Passenger's at the bottom.
Yeah, somehow.
Remember that.
I don't know how to get that out. What's up there? Wow. Somebody knows how to do it quick and easy. That might get it. Here. Hand me another screwdriver. Almost. That how you do it? Brute force.
Only thing it sounds like we have.
I'm having a hard time believing this is the correct way to do it, I think.
This you're cutting it out?
I'm not cutting it out. There. Bottom one unhooked.
Yeah?
It seems like a little metal sleeve of some sort.
That's what was on the other?
No, I don't know. Like a little sleeve from factory. Alright, that should come out. Ow, ow! My finger, boy.
You said it should come out.
Hey, Mr. Yankee.
You said it should come out. I was taking it.
Where'd that rubber thing? Where'd that come from?
The factory, I don't know.
Put that on there.
Look at my golden.
Where that keeps it from? No, vibrating. So it's like that? It's like that, right? Alright, we'll leave
that goes on the
leave that
bottom.
sit there.
This on the bottom. I know that, yeah. That's time for the other side.
Yep, now you go.
Yeah, try to do this.
Yeah. Dang right you can.
Yeah.
Here.
Damn right you can.
This one's on the bottom too, you gotta remember that.
Yeah, it's on the bottom. I can.
Passenger
Right,
side.
bottom.
Here you go.
We got a
I
video.
don't even know where this thing is at.
They'll remember it for us, yeah. We gotta. They'll remember it for us.
Remember what?
Righty bottomy. They'll remember it for
Oh, where's you light at? I don't know how we're gonna get that one out.
Don't know how. Don't see all that now.
Man, I didn't know how you do it either.
Oh, the rhymes you want to sing?
Look at that. How you supposed to get that out? How you supposed to get this out?
Tons of metal pieces in.
I'm talking about the handle. You get the handle out. Look at that. We got it. It's all about wigglies.
I'll get the thing.
See that metal? There's a metal clip in there. Look.
This side don't have a rubber. Oh, it does.
Like a little clip that the clip goes into. Alright, yeah, leave it laying just like that. And that one goes at the top. So what we're gonna do, since this is bent, I'm gonna get a new one of these too. Don't you think? Cause you can tell that's bent, dude. Look at that.
Don't you think? Yeah.
Yeah, it's bent.
Don't y'all agree? I thought that.
Bent. Alright, go ahead and train out your parts. Look. Right here.
Huh?
And then when we, which I don't know how long it's gonna take to get our parts, but go ahead. Change them out. Yeah. Where's mine? Yours on this side.
What do you mean? Oh, right there.
That's.
This one's right here. What's the
Yeah,
difference?
just take it out. No.
Is there a deliberate difference or not?
Huh?
Is there a deliberate difference or not?
Yeah, there's a difference.
Oops,
Yeah.
good man.
There we go. New part. It's on. Awesome. So you put that on right. Cool deal. Now all we gotta do is wait for our 3 bolts. I guess you want me to say nothing about you joining today?
Okay. Either way.
We don't have to.
We just got a random kid from off the street here.
And I've seen some people online. The best people we found online to help us anyway was Brothers Trucks. And they had like a reassembling thing. That hooks in there, but I seen some people just said they had to put tape on that. Seems like that would not fall out even if you went upside down. So I'll opt out of tape on that one. Take that handle. This handle. Screws. Right. I got screws for the back.
There's no way we could use these again.
There's some big plastic on there. But this is where that's where the pieces go in. Looks like a little sleeve.
Take off the plastic on
See
there.
that or not?
It's always super satisfying.
That's where the two go. Open stuff, I guess.
Okay. It'll be an Asmar.
No, I didn't. I said we're gonna leave that on there.
We're gonna leave it on it, actually.
Gracious, boy, you ain't paying attention.
I didn't hear you at all. Why would we leave it on there?
Why not leave it on there?
Because it's crisp.
Leave it on there until you get it put on the tailgate. You can bump it in the metal. And you can leave it on there after you put it on the tailgate.
Yeah.
It's kind of like leaving that protective stuff on the face of your radio when you buy a brand new car.
Yeah.
You need to peel it off and just leave it on there for like the first year.
You rarely ever see that's on there.
That doesn't work. No.
Well, I just said we're gonna leave that on there, and then you picked it up and
I didn't hear
there's
you.
the camera to peel it off.
I was just giving it Asmar. People love Asmars nowadays.
Asthma?
Asmar.
Asthma?
An Asmar. It's just, it's too
We got
sophisticated.
3
You
bolts
gotta-
with like 2 parts.
Not asthma?
you want to understand
You don't have that.
These 3 go in the back.
how you put those before the screws.
They have one
Those
back
go right
and
there.
a screw.
Never mind.
But the main thing, our main concern right now is these. Look, I didn't even need to, they came with those things. I didn't even need to buy them. I wish they would have told me that. And we got some extra little, that's where the rods go in.
Oh, yeah.
I think that helps hold it, I guess. And now we gotta try to get this in there. The one on top goes on the driver's side and one on the bottom goes on the passenger side, so you guys wanna y'all wanna try to feed that in there? This into that side. Has to stay on that rod now, boys. Way up top. Way on the middle, but
Feet on in there.
I've done the ground. Over don't, no, make it, no. That's right.
There.
You got it in there where you need it?
Yes, hold on.
I had a feeling the bottom one was gonna be a pain in the butt.
Why was it pain in the butt last time?
No,
You got it that easily?
that's the first
Oh,
part.
for that.
Now we gotta get the bottom one on, and we gotta get the handle inside there, and get the bottom one, so.
Do we put the handle inside of it first, or that?
No.
Which one we do first? The inside of it?
That first.
And then we'll hold it up straight
Oh, I
legs
forgot.
and try to get the, and try to get the bolts lined up in the back, I guess. See if you can push that in.
Yeah, I got you.
See that?
Not bad.
Get the bolts on
Mm-hmm.
and flip it.
Not yet.
Or we can just have it, we can have it just stood up and screwed in like while holding that up.
So there's no heck with doing that.
I know not go all the way, so
Hit the
like,
paint twice.
up.
Got that done.
Oh.
I don't
Screw
care.
head in on it.
You're fine.
There you go.
It's whatever.
We're pan.
Probably should have taped around the edges, but it's already messed up right here anyway, so.
I got blue crayons in my room if you need them.
No, I don't think that's what
That's
we're
more
gonna use.
teal.
Teal crayons?
Maybe aqua
I'm not too good at color theory now.
color theme.
Where's the other washer at?
So we mix colors, I'm pretty sure. Washer? Did it come with it? Okay, that's why I
Yeah,
say.
you should have your rings like on the thing.
Huh? My ring's what? On.
Pretty good.
I'm just gonna look at
Yeah,
you.
alright, we're just feeling. Easy, son. We
Love that.
we don't need to do it on purpose though.
No, I didn't mean to. Okay, oh my goodness gracious. Don't try to have me hand you one. There.
What you need to do is look for holes with that.
Wait, left.
This is not helping at all.
Yeah, short.
Let's give it a look. I don't know what that is. I can't be back there, son. I'm here too.
Yeah. And like, whenever I put it in, it automatically gets pushed down. Actually?
See if Phil's head.
Busting that's the big one.
Actually, in our fridge. Can you hold it?
You have to take it and then like this and pull down. So do it. Come on, give it your light, dog.
Where?
Just down. 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 Down.
I don't want to push down!
I just showed you, son.
Wait, your hand's inside it, so I can really know. That way? Okay.
It's a little ass. You know. More, bro. More. I probably should have screwed these 3 screws in there before I put it on. There. There you go. I can't hold it down. There you go. Good job. That's it. That's tightening then. Sticking out a 1/2 inch.
That's okay.
It's rough. That's the LFC handle.
Handle with the Chevrolet.
It is what it is. Come on. You know we got it now. Alright. See them black screws over there, boys? Sorry. That's the bag.
These two?
No.
Got them somewhere?
Need 2 over there and 1 over there.
One over here, two over here.
That handle's wrong with you.
Hmm. It's just sticking out.
Yeah, I guess. I need to let it wear out or something.
That's hard to pull. Oh, wait. Yeah. I ain't got that restraint, bro.
It's for,
Shooting not.
we ain't put it all the way on yet, so let's not, I'll just wait till the end.
My bad. Let me see days. Should we put these in, Dad?
Huh? Yeah, y'all see where it go?
Move your arm, right?
Yep. Guess my hole messed up.
What? What do you mean?
Dig that handle too much.
Searching like structural.
Try it. It's $15. We, you know, we didn't lose the moon here. So don't worry about it. Come on there, we get another $15 handle and put it on there. Got a little bit of experience now, I guess.
$15 for all this?
And that's $15 for this. I think, and then. How much the latches on the side were?
They go and play.
Okay. Well, the latches on the side are $13 a piece. Got it?
Yeah.
Latches.
New latch with the 2 new black bolts.
Does this thing work, I guess, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, well, let's go take it outside and put it on the truck. Y'all guys wanna grab it, or just want me to? Can you not drop it?
Interesting. Is there still that wasp nest right
Yeah,
outside?
$40.
Huh?
Yeah. Just take it to the house. Which door? The B door? No, go that way, bro.
Yeah, it's called the B door.
I'll turn it on.
Actually, it's the left door.
Look at that teamwork. Dreamwork.
What's the walls?
Hold on, let me have it. Let me have it for a second.
Oh, you?
No, yeah, only, but put that in that hole for me.
Why you?
Down. Down. You got down? Yeah.
That way or that way?
Down. Okay.
Oh, it's like on.
Alright, no, no.
Yeah.
Get your latch out.
Get my lights on.
No, look, do it like this. No, hey,
Oh,
look,
right here.
look at the middle. Look at the middle.
Mm,
There you go. Alright. Down, go down, go down.
Mhm.
Down a little more.
All
Alright,
right,
there you go.
tight up.
Keep going down. You got the hat, light, look,
Yeah,
you got latch.
Yeah, mine's.
Alright, that's it.
Mm.
Alright.
Oh. Open it. Oh. Some WD-40 for that.
You wanted to make that old 70s truck sound. And it is.
A good old 70s
No
breaking down on the
latches.
side of the highway sound.
$13. Bolts were what, $1? These bolts were probably $1.60. I don't know. Then the latch was $15. You can see it sticks out a little bit.
Here's some character.
Yeah, that stick out character.
Mhm.
That says, "Hey, look at me! I'm a brand new black
You're gonna feel it
tailgate
fresh.
handle."
You didn't. Oh, you did.
Oh, did you feel it?
Yeah,
But he's probably ripped it off pretty fast.
as well. Didn't matter
Gotta-
anymore. At least it's below here. You can see where I chipped the paint.
Okay.
Some more character, I guess. But there it is, boys.
Mm-hmm.
Latches look really good.
Yeah, working, slamming it back and forth.
Yeah, you gotta test it, man.
Yeah.